Caspar and Mollüsk is a 7-vinyl EP made by Chris Ballew of the Presidents of the United States of America, Caspar, and Beck, Mollusk. It is pressed on transparent yellow vinyl and was released by Cosmic Records in 1995. Most of the EP is actually just Chris Ballew, but Beck appears on the track Twig. Ballew wrote Twig about Beck being a twig in the wind. Ballew was recording this track on Beck's 4-track at Beck's home in East Laws when Beck came out of his bedroom and joined Ballew. Twig was later re-recorded by the Presidents of the United States of America and appears on their album 2. This album's name is a parody of Partch's work Castor and Pollux. Track listing. Side A: Caspar and Mollüsk, Twig. Caspar, untitled. Side B: Caspar, Lint Cake. Caspar, untitled. External links. Caspar and Mollüsk at whiskeyclone.net. Caspar and Mollüsk at discogs.com.